Hi guys, Ron here from Phone Arena, and I'm here in London for the OnePlus 70 series global launch event. And OnePlus is launching the OnePlus 70 Pro here, and also they have a surprise for us. That is here, the OnePlus 70 Pro McLaren edition. So this is the box it ships in. So it's got this nice textured feel and the orange touch to it. And it also says papaya orange on the back. So OnePlus and McLaren have had a partnership for a while now. McLaren, as you guys know, is a company based in Britain which makes fast cars and automotive history as well. So they launched the OnePlus 60 McLaren edition last year, and this year we're going to be seeing the OnePlus 70 Pro McLaren edition. It's here, so let's go ahead and unbox the device and take a look. So let's unbox this device. As you can see, this is the packaging it ships in. You have this nice textured feel, and also on the back you have the the specs. So it's got this McLaren official product tag. It's the color is officially called papaya orange. It's got 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and you have the contents and everything. You have the SAR value over here. It's 1.07 watts per kilogram for the head and 0.72 watts per kilogram for the body. So let's actually open it up. You have the seal here. Let's actually open it up. So you have the never settle branding on the inside, and so you have the carbon fiber like finish on the outside of the box. OnePlus has been teasing this in the tweet. You also have the orange tinge as well. On the front it says OnePlus McLaren, and you have the 70 Pro on the side. So let's actually open up the box. Have the OnePlus McLaren logos again, some paperwork here. So you have the OnePlus messaging, something about the specs of the device, quick start guide. You have the SIM ejector tool, the recycling, and also the the invitation letter. This is about the partnership between the two companies. And so here we go. So you have the device here with a nice orange power button on the side. So let's open up the device. Here we go. So this is the OnePlus 70 Pro McLaren edition. You can see the the orange textures on the outside, and also around the camera ring. It's pretty subtle this time around. The orange can't see it from the front, only from the back. You also have this pattern under the glass here, which is iconic to this particular edition. Pretty nicely done. And also you have the power alert slider, which is got the orange tinge, and you also have pretty much everything else is similar to the OnePlus 70 Pro itself, except for this McLaren branding, it's of course. So you also have this nice fancy braided cable, which is exclusive to this edition. You have the Type-C cable for charging, and also you have the wall adapter, which is the Warp 30 charger, 30 You also have that orange tinge to it. So it does really fast charging, very same as the OnePlus 70 Pro. So something else is missing here. I think probably the case or something. So they have some compartment over here at the bottom, and let's actually open it up. Let's say secret things await below the surface. And you have wow. So this is a nice case. This is the Kevlar and a velvety feel case for this device. It's a really nice case actually. When you have a 70 Pro, you could probably buy this case. If it's sold separately, we're not sure if it's going to be sold separately, but that's a lovely case for the device. So the device is all powered and booted up. So as you can see, it's got this special McLaren wallpaper for this edition. And closer look at the device, you have this nice orange accents on the outside for the device, and also the camera module. And you also have this nice kind of holographic feel on the back of the device. You can't really see it if you see all the way down, but when you actually tilt it up, you actually see the kind of holographic pattern under the glass. So on the front, you have a 6.67 Fluid AMOLED display as in the 70 Pro, the same 90 Hz refresh rate, and it's a curved display as well. And the camera module for the front is actually a pop-up camera. We'll come to that in a bit. So powering this thing is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, and you have actually 12 gigs of RAM and 26 gigs of storage for this variant. And you have kind of a triple camera setup, the same as the 70 Pro. You have 48 megapixel main camera module, a 16 MP wide angle module, and a 8 MP telephoto module. So there's OIS for stabilization on the main camera and the telephoto camera. And you also have a dual LED flash, the OnePlus branding on the back, and you have this kind of glass finish on the back. You also have a macro mode on the camera for like close-ups. And apart from that, you have a slightly bigger battery on the OnePlus 70 Pro. So that's the 4085 mAh battery on the both the 70 Pro and the 70 Pro McLaren edition. Both have that really fast Warp 30T charging. And so this device, in terms of software, runs on Android out of the box and Oxygen OS. And let's actually go into the settings. As you can see, you also have that orange kind of accent going around in the software as well. So you have even the menus have that orange kind of McLaren branding. So you also have the build number and everything here. So as you can see, it's the OnePlus 70 Pro. And let's go into the storage. So you have about 228 gigs of free space on this device, and that's pretty much it. So let's actually open up the front camera as well. So you have the rear camera and the front camera, which is a 16 MP camera. Hi guys, it's filming this on the iPhone 11 Pro. As you can see, it's got OIS and EIS on the front facing camera as well. So looking forward to actually testing out the camera on the 70 Pro. So that's pretty much it. So that was a quick look and unboxing of the OnePlus 70 Pro McLaren edition of the device. So do let us know in the comments as to what you think, and let us know if you have any questions. So do stay tuned for a full review on Phone Arena later this month, and let us know what you think about this device. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. This is Varun signing off.